In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if the FPS drop while gaming. So let's get started. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and just need to simply type reg edit. Okay, reg edit, and then you have to click on registry editor under the best match. So for the first path that we are going to navigate, I have already prepared the registry path from here. Do not worry, this will be posted in the description section of this video. So copy the first path, Control C to copy, and then minimize the notepad. And then here in the search bar that at the top, you need to simply paste Control V, hit enter, and you will be directed to this path that we are going to navigate. So you are in the game config store, and on the right pane you'll find all these values. Now you'll find this value named game DVR enabled. Double click and change the value data to 0. Okay, change the value data to 0, and then you have to click on OK, and then close the registry editor. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Next method, again, you have to open the registry, so go ahead in the Windows search bar and type reg edit. Click on registry editor under the best match. Now this is the second path that we need to navigate. Control C to copy, and then right here, Control V, and hit enter, and you will be directed into this path. Now in the allow game DVR in the right pane, you'll find this value name named value. Double click and change the value data to 1 and click on OK, and then close the registry editor. Finally, you have to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows, and that will fix the issue for you. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.